For today's Dollar Tree video, I am going to share with you guys a trip that I recently went to Dollar Tree, and I wanted to go with a sole focus of only looking at planner supplies and seeing what I could find throughout the entire store, not just in the aisle where you would expect to find planner supplies like in the school section or the craft section. So I really wanted to just kind of take a look at the entire store, even though I could probably do a two-parter to this because I kind of got tired filming halfway through of these clips. But yeah, there's so much more in that store, so thumbs up if you definitely want like a part 2. But obviously, as you can see, I'm showing you guys the not the in-season, but the current season of decor Valentine's Day. Don't discount the seasonal stuff, you guys, from Valentine's Day, St. Patty's Day, spring, Christmas, all of that. You can definitely find a lot of planner goodies there. So I'm just kind of showing you guys some of the things that I found really interesting in the beginning of this clip. There were those really beautiful heart rings, and they're more for party favors, but you could easily just pluck off the ring portion of the back because it's all plastic, and you could add a paper clip to it. I actually mentioned this in a video before, and then you have like really cute heart paper clips. If you watch some of my planner videos, then you know I use cards a lot for my planner spreads. So I was showing you guys the Valentine's Day cards. They're really cute. I will link my Valentine's Day planner playlist down below. Last year I did an all Dollar Tree month spread, so the month at a glance, I believe, and then 4 weeks of Dollar Tree supplies. So I'll link it down below. And then obviously we're getting, I know I'm a little bit behind, but if you're wondering why I put that heart-shaped little basket, don't just think of planner supplies from putting things down on your planner, but also just how you can organize some of your planner supplies. And I thought the heart-shaped basket was really cute, and you could put all of your little goodies there, especially if you need to move where you're planning. You can just kind of put all your supplies, pile it into that little bucket, and then carry it with you wherever you decide to plan. You know, whether you want to go plan at a park or, you know, in your living room or just like wherever. And then you can make your supplies mobile and come with you. And then obviously I drift off into the actual section where you're probably going to find the most stuff for your planner supplies. The craft section, the teaching section. I really don't know what else to call it, but I'm showing you guys all kinds of goodies. I really loved the little booklet earlier that I was flipping through with those neon colors. Those are gorgeous. You could definitely use those kind of as construction paper, and you can cut them up into little boxes and then glue them down if you have like a happy planner style planner, right? There's A5s where you really don't really make boxes like that, but then you have like the Erin Condren and Happy Planner and so on, where you could definitely do that. So I wanted to just show you guys all the different materials that maybe at a glance you would pass up on. I also wanted to show you guys those note cards. Those are great if you like to build your own actual spread, and I've done that on my channel before, where I've literally built a week at a glance from complete scratch. I'll link that down below as well, just so that you can get a general idea of what I'm talking about. And the cardstocks and little note cards are perfect for that, because some of them come with lines, and then you can even do like a bullet journal effect within your own custom made planner spread. And then, yeah, so I'm not going to obviously speak to everything that I'm showing you guys on the screen. It's just kind of a little bit self-explanatory on why I picked those specific items to share with you in this video and how I found them interesting. Highlighters is something that I actually pass up on a lot from a planner perspective, and I want to buy more and start using highlighters a little bit more in my planner. I also love correction tape, correction pens. Those are going to be great, especially when you need to get rid of colors that are already pre-made into your planner. If you watch my planner videos, you know what I'm talking about. But whenever they have those the colors around the boxes, they sometimes interfere with the washi because a lot of my washi is transparent, and so it just doesn't look clean, and correction tape is perfect to just kind of cover that up. Also, these little dot labels are perfect too, especially if you're into bullet journaling. Those are going to be great to kind of like sort and label things from a color coding perspective, but also great if you want to do like a polka dot spread. You can even use those little dots to make balloons. You just, you know, draw the little tail for the string, or you could even use them to make bubbles out of if you're doing like a summery bubbles theme kind of thing. So try to think outside the box with all of this stuff at Dollar Tree, because really there's so much stuff. Again, I could really do a part 2 to this. And some of this, again, like I said, is pretty obvious. These dry erase labels are really cool. You could definitely use this, maybe not necessarily in your planner, but you could do that as well. I mean, this would be great because if you put it in your planner, maybe somewhere in your dashboard, right? Don't just think about it from a monthly spread or a weekly spread perspective. You can make dashboards. If you don't know what I'm referring to, because maybe you're not into planners, but you're just catching this video, just type it into your YouTube description, like planner dashboards. You know, I'm telling you, you will be so shocked to see what's out there. I've made some dashboards as well in my day, but they're all going to be in my planner playlist. By the way, I have 2 planner playlists. One on this main channel, CraftyGirl, and then the second one is on CraftyGirl Vlogs, where all my new planner stuff is now at. So I'll link both of those planner playlists down below, and you can see all the things that I've done in my past with planners. I've made Dollar Tree planners. You guys, look at these binders from Dollar Tree. You can make your own planner straight up from Dollar Tree from scratch. And one of my favorite finds, which is not in this video, I found it a while ago, and I'm so glad I bought doubles of it, is the grid paper, which is going to really complement the bullet journaling process. So Dollar Tree is just amazing, and maybe some of y'all will still have that grid paper. If you see it, scoop it up if you want to get into planning stuff, because it's amazing. You're going to see me use that really soon on my vlog channel from my planners, and yeah, so I'm just glad I have some. I'm still going to be on the lookout for more, but as you can see, there's just so much that you can do. As I was saying, you don't just, from the dry eraser, you don't just have to put it in a weekly spread or a monthly spread. You can build it on a dashboard, and then it's a dry eraser. You can constantly change the data that you write in there. So I think that's really great. Also, I'm showing you calendars. Calendars are great because you can use these, you can use the image to make dividers in your planners. You just grab a laminator. I bought my laminator at Walmart. It's so great. It was like 20 bucks. And I'm telling you, it's one of the best items if you really want to get into customizing and making your own stuff. But Dollar Tree also sells self-laminating sheets, and they work really well. Obviously, the best is going to be a laminator because of that heat, but Dollar Tree does sell self-laminating sheets, but small ones. So that's the other caveat, is they don't really sell the bigger ones. But anyway, so yeah, so if you're wondering why I showed the calendars, that's why. You can make dividers. You could use it to make your dashboard background. And then hair accessories. I've been using hair accessories for planner stuff for so long. I made I used headbands and turned them into like I did a Halloween one, which I really loved. I'll link that one down below as well. And I used the headband to kind of secure and keep my planner together, keep it kind of closed. So lots of different things that you can do at Dollar Tree and really get creative. And I love this video so much because I wanted to show you guys Dollar Tree's potential. Oh, also earlier, if you saw those little paper bows, those are in the gift wrap section, and you could easily put, again, paper clip, little hot glue, and look how beautiful your paper clip can look, you guys. And these containers, they're makeup containers, but you can use them to store your planner stuff, glue sticks, paper clips, tape, etc., all kinds of things. And then I'm showing you guys some shelf liner, just because you could also use these for dashboards. Now some of the now this is actually contact paper. There's contact paper, and then there's shelf liner. Shelf liner I haven't really messed with from a planner perspective, but the contact paper is going to be great if you want to build, again, dashboards and dividers. And then some more organizational tools to just kind of keep your stuff together and how cute it can be. I just talked throughout this whole video. But that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you want a part 2, and I'll see you guys really soon for another video. Bye.